Hi, it's Dad Nago here. Welcome back to my English podcast. Many people think that the only way to age is by counting down the days on a calendar. But if you're like most people, you have some bad habits that are actually speeding up your aging process. In this video, we'll talk about some common ones that make you age faster and how to break them to keep yourself looking young and beautiful. Number 1. Smoking. Smoking is the most well-known unhealthy habit that ages people prematurely. This daily habit damages your skin and increases the appearance of age spots. It also accelerates gum disease, leading to tooth loss, dry mouth, and receding gums. Smoking can cause cancer as well as a variety of other health issues, including high blood pressure, heart attack, and stroke. Number 2. Drinking alcohol. Alcohol can affect your skin's natural moisture content, leading to a drier complexion. Consuming too much alcohol also increases the risk of getting liver disease and cancer. Drinking also slows down digestion, which leads to constipation and bloating while making food less nutritious, so that you feel hungrier than usual after eating, hence increasing overeating or snacking between meals. And not only is drinking alcohol bad for your weight control, but it has also been linked with depression in some people. Number 3. Not sleeping enough. Sleeping well is not just a luxury, it's an absolute necessity for your body. The average adult needs between 7 and more hours of sleep every night, but many people are getting less than that on a regular basis. Insufficient sleep has been linked to depression, diabetes, heart disease, and more frequent hunger, leading you to eat more food and gain weight. Not only does poor sleeping habits increase risk factors for all these diseases, but it also increases aging. It's because inadequate amounts or quality of sleep have shown increased skin wrinkling in adults who don't get enough sleep per night compared with those who get 8 hours nightly. Number 4. Being stressed out all the time and not relaxing. People who have a hard time ridding themselves of stressful situations may be more at risk for accelerated aging. Stress can lead to higher levels of cortisol in one's body that have been linked to increased inflammation, which is known to contribute to skin cells' aging process and make them break down faster. So if you find yourself constantly worrying or stressing out about things, it might be best to try relaxation methods like meditation or yoga on occasion, so your body doesn't wear itself out quickly with tension-related problems. Number 5. Having inconsistent dieting. Dieting is one of the most important things you can do to improve your overall health, but it's not enough just to go on a diet for 2 weeks or so. If you want to lose weight and stay healthy, it needs to be something that you do consistently over time. That means no yo-yo dieting, where you lose weight then gain it back again. It's also important to make sure the type of food you are eating is nutritious and fits your dietary needs. This way, not only will it prevent you from aging faster, but you will also be able to stay healthier for longer. I hope that you learned something new today. My goal is to help you gain more useful knowledge every day while improving your English considerably. Don't forget to sub for more awesome videos every week. Share this video with your friends and families so that they can benefit from this information as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.